Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift card in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, redeeming your gift card in Crunchyroll from your Android phone is very easy. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Crunchyroll application at first, and after opening the Crunchyroll application, it will open this homepage for you. Into here, you just simply have to go into this account section. Now, after coming into this account section, you will see this membership option. Into the membership, just simply click into this subscription option, and in the subscription, there are two other options at the bottom, and one of them is redeem offer code. Now in order to redeem the gift card, just simply click to this redeem offer code option, and now it will lead you to the Play Store, and from here you just simply have to enter the code or scan the gift card, and then after entering code or scanning the gift card, just simply click to this redeem button, and then your gift card will be redeemed in Crunchyroll. By following these very easy steps, you can easily redeem your gift card in your Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.